Hi, this is Paula Bernier, Executive Editor at TMC. I'm here at IT Expo Miami talking with Kerry Garrison, VP of Strategic Initiatives at Vitelity. Welcome.
Good to be here. How are you doing?
Great, thanks. I understand that the company announced some new products here at the show. Tell us about them.
Yeah, we've got a couple of really interesting products. At IT Expo in Austin, we announced a product called MyScript, which is a voicemail transcription service that works over email. So it'll work with any PBX that can do voicemail to email. And here in Miami is the official launch of that product. So it's very exciting to be able to take systems that can't do transcription and have no API ability to be able to give them a transcription service. It comes in, we transcribe it, and then we send back out to the user's email the transcribed message as well as the original WAV file, just in case there's something that they didn't understand in that. But once you start using it, you'll never go back to regular voicemail. Some of the people at TMC, including Rich and Tom, are both using it, and they just love it.
Are there any particular verticals or sizes of customers that are your sweet spot for this product?
We're seeing it across the board, because you think about the productivity enhancement that you get by being able to read your voicemail. You can look at it in a crowded area where you can't listen very well. It comes into your email, which is a little more reliable than just trying to dial in and listen. So you save this time, and even though transcription is never going to be 100% accurate, it's still good enough that you get the gist of the message. You know whether you need to call somebody back or whether you need to act on it or not. So we're seeing it from just individual users up to large enterprises who are starting to roll it out. And we're seeing it a lot in schools, which was an interesting surprise. So a lot of people across the board are starting to use the MyScript product.
And is the product, or is it a software license, a SaaS offering, an appliance, or what is it?
It's basically just a online service. So you set it up, you send your emails to us, and then we turn around and send them back. So it's $4.99 a month, and that includes the email that I've already mentioned, as well as being able to get that text as an SMS message to your phone. So it's kind of covers both of those options for you at the same price.
So if there's just one thing that you want the market to understand about this offering and how it's unique in the marketplace, what is that one thing?
It's the fact that it enables existing systems to have transcription. And to us, that's the big deal right there. It's something that nobody else is offering today. Now, the other product that we have, which I'm extremely excited about, is called Fax Enable. And we've partnered with Audio Codes and FaxBack to create a product that allows you to take your existing fax machine, connect it to this Audio Codes device, which then connects to our existing VFax service and allows this seamless integration of your fax machine into now an IP environment. And so you can eliminate the cost of that copper line that a lot of companies are paying 50, 60, 70 bucks a month for, and all of a sudden take that down to about $3.99 a month, and then paying just for minutes, which most people hardly use any fax service. So that cost is going to drop substantially for most users. And because it's tied into our VFax service, you get automatic archiving of all inbound and outbound faxes. So it kind of takes your existing fax machine and moves it into the current century.
Were there any other products or services that Vitelity is discussing or showing here?
We have another product that's called Vitelity, and this is for our hosted PBX platform, and it really adds an incredible layer of security to the platform so that you have to authenticate, and we actually use the Google Authenticator, which is really powerful and allows you access into your system. So what we're seeing a lot these days is breaches in security with systems getting hacked and different types of vulnerabilities that are out there, and Vitelity stops that cold. So we now have the most robust security platform of anybody in the market.
Okay, were there any other products you wanted to mention? I'll give you one more chance.
Another one is Link Enable, and Link Enable is a hardware combination that we've partnered with Patton, and using their gateway, we can now take our SIP trunks, which work over UDP, and it transcodes them into TCP for use with Microsoft Link, enabling those Microsoft Link users to finally be able to use a standard SIP trunk, such as our service.
Great. All right. Well, thanks so much. It was great talking to you. And coming from IT Expo in Miami, it's Kerry Garrison and Paula Bernier. We hope to see you at IT Expo in Las Vegas.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Easy enough?